Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, the Falkirk Wheel, a unique engineering development. First 14 to 19 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, the Falkirk Wheel has linked the Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal for the first time in their history. Falkirk Wheel ने Forth and Clyde Canal को Union Canal के साथ first time link किया था.
Let's see in the paragraph. The Falkirk Wheel in Scotland is the world's first and only rotating boat lift.
Opened in 2002, it is central to the ambitious £84.5 million Millennium Link project to restore navigability across Scotland by reconnecting the historic waterways of the Forth and Clyde and Union Canal. Reconnecting, मतलब दोबारा से जोड़ना, तो वो पहले भी जुड़ा हुआ था, but question is saying, first time, so this is false statement. Next question is, not given. Next to that is, the Falkirk Wheel was initially put together at the location where its components were manufactured. जहां पर उसके components बनाए गए थे, Falkirk Wheel को शुरुआत में एक साथ उस location पे ले जाया गया था. Let's see in the paragraph. The various parts of the Falkirk Wheel were all constructed and assembled, like one giant toy building set, at Butterfly Engineering Steelworks in Derbyshire, some 400 km from Falkirk. So its answer is true. Next question is not given. Next to that is, the weight of the gondolas varies according to the size of boat being carried.
Gondolas का weight ले जाने वाली बोट के size के according होता है.
Let's see in the paragraph. These gondolas always weigh the same, whether or not they are carrying boat.
भले वो बोट ले जाए या ना, gondolas का weight same रहता है.
So question statement is false. Next question is, the construction of the Falkirk Wheel site took into account the presence of a nearby ancient monuments. Falkirk Wheel के construction में नजदीक में एक ancient monument के होने का भी कोई रोल है. Let's see in the paragraph. The wheel could not be constructed to elevate boats over the full 35-meter difference between the two canals, owing to the presence of the historically important Antonine Wall, which was built by the Romans in the 2nd century AD. So question statement is true. Next 20 to 26 questions are to label the diagram. This diagram is about how a boat is lifted on the Falkirk Wheel. First question is, a pair of something are lifted in order to shut out water from canal basin. पानी को रोकने के लिए किसी चीज को उठाया जाता है, और वो चीज पैर में होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Two hydraulic steel gates are raised, so as to seal the gondolas off from the water in the canal basin. So its answer is gates. Next question is, a dash is taken out, enabling wheel to rotate. Wheel को rotate करवाने के लिए किसी चीज को बाहर निकाला जाता है. Let's see in the paragraph. A hydraulic clamp, which prevents the arms of the wheel moving while the gondolas is docked, is removed. So its answer is clamp. Next question is, hydraulic motors drive dash. Hydraulic motors इसे drive करती है. Let's see in the paragraph. In the central machine room, an array of 10 hydraulic motors then begins to rotate the central axle. So its answer is axle. Next question is, a range of different sized something ensures boat keeps upright. बोट को सीधा रखने के लिए कोई चीज होती है जो अलग-अलग साइज की होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. As the wheel rotates, the gondolas are kept in the upright position by a simple gearing system. Two 8-meter wide cogs orbit a fixed inner cog of the same width, connected by two smaller cogs traveling in the opposite direction to the outer cogs, so ensuring that the gondolas always remain level.
So its answer is cogs. Next question is, boat reaches top wheel, then moves directly onto dash. Boat top पर पहुंचकर directly किसी चीज पर move करती है.
Let's see in the paragraph. When the gondolas reaches the top, the boat passes straight onto the aqueduct. So its answer is aqueduct. Next question is, boat travels through tunnel beneath Roman dash.
बोट एक सुरंग में से गुजरती है जो किसी चीज के नीचे होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. The wheel could not be constructed to elevate boats over the full 35-meter difference between the two canals owing to the presence of the historically important Antonine Wall, which was built by the Romans in the 2nd century AD.
Boats travel under this wall via tunnel. So its answer is wall. Next question is, dash raise boat 11 meter to level of Union Canal. कोई चीज होती है जो बोट को यूनियन कनाल से 11 मीटर उठा देती है. Let's see in the paragraph. The remaining 11 meters of lift needed to reach the Union Canal is achieved by means of a pair of locks. So its answer is locks. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.